Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change country in Omegle. So here we go. You can open Omegle Talk to Strangers, omegle.fun. You don't need app to use Omegle on your phone or tablet. This website works great on mobile. So here you can start chatting a video, but don't forget to sign in first. And here, in order to change country, you can click on this global. So this is the region filter. You can click on North America, Latin, North Africa, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Europe. But you cannot change the specific country here. You only can change the region. In order to get advanced filtering for more precise matches, you have to join Pro or join a plus. So you can filter both, filter gender, filter region, exclusive badge, and no ads. Then you can continue if you agree to subscribe this Omegle. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so contact button below. See you in the next video.